beautiful people. I'm Nancy Ogwebo and you are definitely welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this mouth-watering beans and potato porridge, and you definitely love this recipe. Okay, so I'm using this on the beans. Go ahead to use iron beans or any type of beans. Okay, so after washing it, I'll set this on the heat and I'll cook this for a few minutes, and I'll filter that water. I'll add another water for it to continue cooking. Next is my potato is peeled already, and I chopped it to the size I wanted. So you can do this to any size you want. Okay, so go ahead and wash this till it is completely clean. So I'll do that again till I am satisfied with it. So next I'll set that aside and we'll go over to our beans. The beans is doing well. Remember, I filtered the water and I continue cooking. So now I'll be transferring the potato into the beans, and I'll add in onion, crayfish powder, salt to taste. Next is my seasoning powder. So you can go ahead to use any seasoning of choice. So I'll just give this a quick stir and we'll allow this to boil. So while that is cooking, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button, give me a thumbs up and the bell so you can be notified whenever I post any video. Next I'll be adding in my black pepper. Go ahead to use any pepper of choice, and I added in my palm oil. So I'll give this a quick stir and I'll allow this to cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and it is ready. I know you definitely love this. Will you try it? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I will see you in my next one. Thank you for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate it. So from me is bye-bye.